Hello, today Midorika Isakal will present you the latest Forex news on InstaForex TV. The world oil prices started rising sharply during the last few weeks. The new levels came much higher than $80 per barrel, touching the rate of $84 per barrel. The oil-producing economies still can force modernization processes, and the oil buyers remember the prices of 2009, when the barrel cost was at $37. The Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries announced about its inability to handle the price upturn for black gold, calling the level of $85 per barrel as critical. The experts say that the climate of oil markets is set by the speculators. If it's not so, then what is the reason of that? After there was announced about the energy reserves growth in the USA last week, the oil prices went down just for a short term. The cost of May oil futures of WTI Brent fell on the 1st of April at the New York Mercantile Exchange by $0.47 to $83.29 per barrel, and the May delivery contract of Brent oil at the London Commodity Exchange by $0.4 to $82.3 per barrel, and then moved upwards again. Several factors come in favor of oil quotations. These are fears of advancing demand on the black gold in the coming years, the start of automobile season in Europe and the USA. The rates upturn was so unexpected for analysts that they are not ready to make any forecasts. On March 29, the executive director of the International Energy Agency, Nobuo Tanaka, stated during the Energy Forum that the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, the International Energy Agency, and International Energy Forum will offer new measures for limiting the speculators' influence on the oil market pricing. In its turn, the OPEC doesn't know what to do with a price higher than $85 per barrel. The organization does not have any plan of actions in case the price ticks up above $80, as commented by the cartel representative during the Energy Forum on March 30. From the beginning of 2010, the oil prices were staying within $70–80 per barrel, which seems optimal for the oil exporters as well as for buyers. But now the cost of the American sweet oil exceeds these indicators, and some analysts predict the growth continuation as far as the demand improves in the USA and other developing countries. The OPEC members cannot come to an agreement regarding at which price the extraction should be advanced. If the price is fixed above $85 per barrel for a long time, it may harm the economic recovery. The organization noticed that the revival is still unstable. Meanwhile, the experts suppose that the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries has lost its influence on the price forming a long time ago, as the extraction volume set up by the organization is often exceeded by the cartel members. Follow our next releases, and goodbye.